Family. That is how we view our staff, our customers, and our visitors. We're a local, family-owned business for the last 17 years, and we love supporting and sponsoring our local community. Customers travel from southeast Gold Coast, northern New South Wales, and everywhere in between. Every single one of them gets the VIP treatment. Whether you're looking for a new or used car, or simply want a great servicing experience, we've got you covered.